Hi there, and welcome to StartGlobal. We offer an all-in-one tax platform so you can effectively run your US business from anywhere. But before we do go any further, it's important to remember that you can do one of two things. You can either submit your books with a profit and loss statement and a balance sheet, or you can choose StartGlobal to do your bookkeeping. But the bottom line is, you need to have your books ready before you can file federal taxes. However, today we're going to have a look at our platform and guide you through how it works. Getting started with federal tax. Here we have the StartGlobal Federal Tax Dashboard. You can access anything you will need when it comes to the financial side of your business. The menu at the side displays all the links that you will need. But for right now, let's get started with federal tax. Here you can do a range of things. Upload your books, upload your profit and loss statement, and your balance sheet. The only thing you can't do here is uploading your statements directly from your bank account, because that would be hundreds or thousands of transactions. You need to get that to a bookkeeper and prepare your profit and loss accounts. The great thing is that if all your documents are correct, you will get an estimation of what you owe and then how to submit your payment. But if your documents are incorrect, let's say for example, you just upload the bank statements, StartGlobal will reject it, leaving you with the option to either choose StartGlobal for bookkeeping or just upload a new one. When the period of review is over, you will be able to download and review your final documents. But what if you don't have books to upload? Don't worry, StartGlobal will help with your bookkeeping as well. Bookkeeping. For bookkeeping, the process is easy and simple with StartGlobal. Under the Books and Taxes menu, select Bookkeeping and follow the on-screen instructions on how to connect your bank account. You can connect to all major banks in America like Chase or Bank of America, or if maybe you're having trouble connecting your platform of choice, just click the Enable to Connect button down here. In here, you can select your platform or upload any other statements. Then all you need to do is click Upload and StartGlobal will get to work. Getting your books ready. Bookkeeping doesn't need to be difficult or stressful, especially when using StartGlobal. To start, connect your bank account and choose your bank of choice. You will then have to wait for us to get your transactions ready. A time estimation will be displayed. Once that's all done, just pay for your bookkeeping fees and you can begin preparing your books. It's really important to select categories for unsorted entries. This will help us properly sort and file all your transactions. StartGlobal will automatically detect this for the majority of your transactions, leaving you to confirm the categories that are correct, and allowing you to make some changes if they need to be sorted differently. When you're finished, upload any pending statements that are not connected, which need to be included. If you're stuck at any time or need any advice, just hit the Talk With Us button located in the bottom right-hand corner, and an advisor will be on hand to help. But if you are ready to start preparing your books, finish categorizing them and then hit the Start Preparing My Books button. If StartGlobal have any questions or queries, we will let you know. We do this by highlighting the transaction and ask for some further information. Once your bookkeeping is completed, you can now proceed with your tax filing. All these documents will be available to view in the Report section on the left-hand menu. Federal tax filing. It's time to submit your federal taxes, another area StartGlobal can easily complete for you. What you need to do is to make sure all your statements are correct, pay the estimate, and begin to start the process. As your books are already completed, you can download and view these if you need to, leaving you to begin the next step. If you are a StartGlobal subscriber, you do not need to pay the tax preparation charges or the tax filing charges. If you are not a StartGlobal subscriber, you do need to pay the charge for the federal tax estimate. The amount of this will be displayed on the screen. In both cases, you will then see an estimation of when your tax filing will be complete. But after this period, your documents will be ready to download and review. And if you are completely satisfied, then just click Accept and Sign, leaving StartGlobal to begin your legal filing. And finally, when StartGlobal has finished, you will be able to review and download your finalized documents. No bank account or transactions. In the exception where you have no bank account or no transactions, or if you started your business late in the year and don't have any transactions for the year, don't worry, StartGlobal can still help you out. After clicking Get Started on the dashboard, scroll down to our No Bank Account option and click Get Estimate. From here, you will be guided through the submission process. you will need to make a payment for this option, but once done, StartGlobal can get to work. After the review has been completed, you will be able to download and review your documents. And if you're satisfied, simply accept and sign. Then when everything is finalized, you can download and view your completed documents. We hope this short video has been helpful, and if you need any other information, just head on over to www.startglobal.co.